I have Orion.
You have Orion? Orion goes here. You can help with Orion. I'll take care of it. Yep, that's Soleil and Orion. And Orion goes over there.
Holy shit. This is two-handed. Get your horse, buddy. Ugh.
Dang.
Gruesome.
That was brutal.
You're okay.
What
Does
the?
anybody else want to throw? Who hasn't thrown?
Aye.
Any of you, you guys down at the end want to throw?
I'm good, thank you.
You can come. One
Hey, Cher. That's not just for you.
He's like, yes it is. What the hell are you talking about?
Go on, eat.
Rudy almost hit me, and I hit him with one of them. Yeah, it's like wet and white. He's so fast. I know. Look at this.